Hello South Africa. Horrifying video shows moment truck crashed into bus on N12. A horrifying video shows the moment a truck crashed into a bus in Edenvale on Wednesday. According to Emer-G-Med spokesperson Kyle van Reenen, 43 people were injured in this multiple vehicle collision. Just after 17h00 on Wednesday, multiple Emer-G-Med paramedics and emergency service vehicles responded to a mass casualty collision on the N12 National Highway near the Edenvale off-ramp. Van Reenen said teams were met with absolute mayhem on arrival on the scene. A truck, a bus, and several light motor vehicles had collided, leaving 43 people with injuries ranging from minor to critical. An on-scene triage area was established by incident commanders, and with the assistance of the Netcare 911 and Rocket aeromedical helicopters, multiple critically injured patients were airlifted to specialist facilities for the definitive care that they required. He furthermore said several ambulances transported the injured to various nearby hospitals for further medical care. In the video, you can see the bus waiting for its rite of passage to turn right when the speeding truck is suddenly seen crashing into the bus from the left side. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.